In the last video, we built a simple desktop app that could read names from our SQLite database and display them using a Listbox. In this video, we're taking it one step further. We're going to delete names from the database with just a click. Let's start by adding a delete button to the interface. With this button, users will be able to select a name from the list and remove it from the database. Let's run the app and take a look. We now have a delete button under the list. Now let's talk about what happens when that button is clicked. We create a function that first checks if a name is selected in the list. If there's nothing selected, it simply returns and does nothing. But if a name is selected, we grab the text, connect to the database, and delete that exact record. After that, we refresh the listbox to update the UI instantly so the deleted name disappears. To handle that refresh, we add another function. This one clears the current contents of the listbox and pulls fresh data from the database to show the updated list. Finally, we connect this delete function to the button we added earlier. So when the user clicks it, everything runs smoothly in the background. Let's run it and see how it works. The load button still pulls the list of names from the database. And now, if we select a name and hit delete, it gets removed both from the screen and from the database. And that's it. In the next video, we'll learn how to update an existing name in the database. See you there.